Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to check remaining space in Google Drive. So, the Google Drive it is a file storage and synchronization service that was developed by Google. So basically, in Google Drive, what you can do is you can store your files and folders instead of storing them in your computer. So, this is how we are going to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So now I am on my Google Drive, and over here on the left I can see the storage. Under this it is saying 84 bytes of 15 GB used. So every normal Gmail account it gets 15 gigabytes of storage, 15 GB, and this is the storage that I have used in my current Google Drive. So this is the storage I have used, 84 bytes of 15 GB used. So this is how you can see how much storage you have used and how much storage is remaining. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to check the remaining space in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.